let's say the data from this sensor is D1, D2 from here, D3 and D4. So this all data will be processed with the help of this software, analyzed, collected, and when, for example, it is ready to send, it will be and also our cloud, for example, is ready to accept the data. This collected, this will be the data, you can say, wait a second. uh, yeah, so can be our this is our processed data, that is the output. Processed data, process and collected. Collected data that is going to our cloud. So we have talked about two kinds of gateways. Number one, without sensors, without sensors on board. On board means, there were these sensors. Without these sensors, this is one, and then two is with these sensors on board. With sensors on board, all other things are the same. Now we can analyze maybe now that what kind of what are all the, we can try to design a gateway by ourselves. That what kind of, we can try to select, for example, our communication hardware, our embedded hardware, our storage, and you know all those things we can, and our sensors maybe if we need on the gateway. So we can try to find a way how we would like to, how we would make a gateway in the next. So in order to design a gateway, we should uh, keep the following things in mind. What our gate should have. Number one, our gateway should have interface for example, Wi-Fi or WLAN, or for example Bluetooth. Not WLAN, because Wi-Fi is the same as WLAN. LAN, I mean. So with LAN and Wi-Fi options in it, it should be able to easily connect to the local area network. This should be the minimum at least required, that it should be able to connect to the local area network. With Bluetooth, for example, we have the advantage of offline connection. For example, it can connect to our mobile device or any Bluetooth device, the gateway, and then send the data to and fro to this device. This should be at least a minimum requirement. And then we can also have, for example, a GSM module on it, which will support GSM and UMTS. And what next? Number two, our gateway should have should have interfaces to support the IoT protocols, the latest IoT protocols. For example, CoAP, MQTT, and LoRa, 6LoWPAN,